Oi oi.
Hello people, welcome back to another YouTube video from sunny Tupelo. It's very hot here. As promised, check-in tan, 1 day out day today. Check-in is now open, which is cool. So we're gonna go get a coffee. I'm gonna get a double, cortado, a macchiato, little one, just to make sure weight doesn't move, but we're fine. I was 108.6 this morning after a lot of wheeze last night and a nice poop this morning, which is great. So 1,000 carb, or 1,100 carb in yesterday, and 0.2 on the scales, which is nice. That says to me that fatigue is shifted, and hopefully now we are ready to load. So we're gonna go get a coffee, we're gonna go check in, weigh in, and then we're gonna go to a place called the Cracked Egg, so that they can get some breakfast. I will probably just order 3 whole eggs and eat the egg whites, or whatever they can offer me. And then in my bag I've got some cream of rice and some grits and some sultanas, so hopefully they don't mind me whipping that out in the restaurant, because I'm going to eat it. So that's the plan for today. We'll take you through it as usual. We've been loving the support, man. We love the comments, we love all of it. She loves it, I love it, you love it, everyone loves it. I'm loving it. Let's go see what the day's got in store. I feel like I'm catching a tan just sat there.
What did you get in your goodie bag then?
It's just a load of protein samples. We've got Rule 1 birthday cake, Rule 1 chocolate fudge, Ghost, Chips Ahoy, Redcon MRE Light. It's not very exciting stuff. We've come to the Cracked Egg. I don't know if I said we were going to do this. I think we did, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to get 4 egg white omelette. That will be my 20 grams of protein for meal 1. No meat, no cheese, no salad, no sides. And what are you getting, babe? Similar.
Yeah, I'm getting a vegetable omelette.
Vegetable omelette.
Turkey bacon.
Ooh.
And avocado.
Did you hear that? I hope you heard that.
Did you hear me?
I hope you heard that. So this will be like, this is the start of the eating now. So I weighed in at 240. I think I already said that. That's a pound down from last week, which is nice. And now after we've been here, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna sit in that room all day, apart from maybe walking around and get a little steps here and there, until tan at 4 p.m. So we've got 4.5 hours till tan. I'll try and get a good few meals in before then. Sorry, the plan for today is 5 meals of 260 carbs, 20 protein and 10 to 15 fat. I'll keep the fat as low as possible today. And that is it, man. That's the plan for the day. Man United are on today. United Fulham kick off the season. That's on at 2 p.m. here, which is a lovely time. Perfect. All check-ins are done. Maximum chill today. I'm excited for this show. We're going for his first call-outs this time. We've got to get it. I want to do my routine. I want to show you all my routine. And it's going to be a good one, man. I'm calm. I've got a devil on my arm. 66. Let's get it, baby. Get down. Go down, bro. I think we'll be here post-show for tomorrow.
What you got?
4 egg whites, a bit of mushroom, a bit of pepper, a bit of spinach. What's your name?
Sonia.
And here's Sonia, who's serving us today.
Hi.
She's helped us out with our very picky orders we're about to get into. That's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go. What's good, people? We are at Walmart again, calling in more reinforcements. Hey, before we go any further, let me show you these.
Hey.
Hey, VQ sent me these new ones. They're sick, man. Oversized, lightweight, straight leg pants. They come in black, stone, grey, a couple other colours. Very, very nice. Code Joe when they launch. I'm not sure if they're out yet. But we're just waiting for the Uber back to the hotel, and then I'm going to put my feet up, watch United, eat loads of carbs. It's a good day. Got myself a nitro cold brew. The order today is 50% extra caffeine. So I'm going to be buzzing my little tits off today, probably. Let's see. Vanilla sweet cream. That is delightful. 13 carb, 1 fat, beautiful. Pathfinder's here. Let's go. Yeah, bro.
Anthony Robinson.
You can't hear me because you mentioned the foot.
Iwobi. Lukic.
What then?
Again. In from Fulham.
I did have chicken. Now I've just got rice.
Cool story.
We've got pre-season. We've got that tournament. It's not the first time there's been a tournament for someone. And the second question is, why would you admit that the team are not fit enough? I just don't get that at all. How can you be not ready and not fit enough? Yeah, you certainly wouldn't say that, would you, in public? And Danlo's gone over to the right, so 4 changes in your back 4 in terms of position. In the final change by the home side, off comes the 19-year-old being replaced by Scott McTominay, who Fulham have had 3 big rejected by Manchester United during this transfer window. He showed last season more than ever before that he does have an eye for goal. Listen, I'm the same. I think he's a really good player in a team that needs high energy performers, those honest, hard-working players rather than players that think they're technical and everything should revolve around them. Yeah, good.
Yes, people. So, having watched back the most recent video that we posted, which was the Tampa to Dallas, that 2-day out one, and seeing how much love you had for me with the gimbal, I'm going to keep it going. So, I've just tanned, well, not my face obviously, but everything else. I would tilt it down, but oh, hang on. Oh no, hold on. Whee! There we go. So, body's tanned, lovely stuff. And now we're back for another meal. I'm currently about 600 carb deep, well, probably about 650 now, because I had a Gatorade on the way back. And now it's the return of the sandwiches. You know the vibe. So we've got a chicken club sandwich with kimchi and Chick-fil-A sweet and spicy sriracha sauce, which I'm very excited for. So I'll sit down and eat this, and then I'll have the the part 2, the dessert that we do. Bae's just gone to train, hotel gym. She's getting a posterior session in, bless her, and then we'll be chilling. I'm going to start watching Umbrella Academy because she's watched all of it and she wants to watch the latest series. I've never seen any of it, so that's what I'm about to do. It's Friday, all check-ins are done, the vibes are good. I'm excited for the show tomorrow. I really am. So let's sit down, eat, chill, and whoa! Let's give you a little 360 of the room. That's me in the TV. The gimbal's gonna lock because it only goes so far. Anyway, there you go. I know you've been loving these vibes. This is a great gift, man. I really am just absolutely fantastic. Look at that. See you then. That's the final check-ins done. Sent them over to Joe. He's just come online. Top man, what a legend. 3 AM in the UK. That felt pretty good. I feel like I'm filling up nicely. I feel like I look a lot drier this week versus last time, which is cool. I think probably could fill out a bit more, but I think I'd rather be crispy tomorrow. So I think we'll see what he says. I reckon the job's done. The evening aldactone dose has been swapped with a quarter diazide, so I think tomorrow it should be pretty damn crispy. We didn't use any diazide in Tampa, so I think overnight a bit more diuresis. It's going to be pretty good. So let's see what Joe says. His first reaction is this. So hopefully that's a good thing. See what he says. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready for bed now. I've just cleaned my teeth. Glasses are on. I'm up at probably 5:30 because my tan's at 6:15, I think. So I'll be getting up, walking over there, getting my tan done, and then rolling straight on stage. I do want some time to wake up and have a coffee though. So that's the only other thing. Otherwise, see what he says. We'll sign this one out. Tomorrow is show day. I feel pretty good about this one, I think. Peace and love, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. Later. I don't know what I was doing there. See you later.